Hi. We are going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. I just got out of the shower, which is why my hair is still a little wet. So yeah, I thought, why not film a Valentine's Day look since it's coming up? So I have my heart earrings on. Cute. Got my red shirt. So first I'm going to powder my forehead. Elf setting powder. I love it. With a little brush I've had since probably like middle school. I do this because I have a very greasy forehead and I don't want my bangs to get greasy as well. So next up we're going to be doing the eyebrows, and these are my two products. Really it would only be this product, but the spoolie fell off the end, so yeah. So basically I am a little wild with the brows when it comes to doing them. I just kind of throw the product on there to try and shape it, but I'm also not worried about having like that line right there, because in my next step I like to take the spoolie and just kind of blend the rest of the product into my eyebrow. I just do the same. A gel, and just to add a little more color, I'm going to use the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel in the shade Blonde. Next up, I'm just going to put a little concealer on. As you can see, I have some pimples. And I don't really use a lot. I usually just cover the scarring that I have on my chin. And this concealer is really nice because it matches my skin very nicely, which I usually have a very hard time doing. You should always wet your beauty sponge, and I like to just use this vitamin C energizing face mist, I don't know why, and then I just pat that in. So now that I just wasted a few minutes putting concealer on my face, even though it didn't really do much, we are going to go in with the eyes. So we're going to apply some eyeshadow today, which means that I need to get like a little bit of a base. I'm just going to use that same concealer. So I'm going to be taking the shade Like a Butterfly from ColourPop. Just going to put that on my thingy and then put that right on the lid. And this is, it's like a really nice glittery pink with some dark undertones, which I like. It's a beautiful color. Now this is a bit of a glam look. I'm going to be doing two looks, one of a bit of a glam and then one a bit of like a just basic. So then I just kind of like throw it on the lid so it's a little messy, and then I just blend it out. So once the eyeshadow is all on, and then mascara, I'm also going to be using the ColourPop mascara. So I am not a bottom mascara type of gal. I just don't like how it looks on me. So I just put on the top, and now I'm going to be doing the lips. So first we are going to put on this NYX Slip Tease in the shade Low Key. So this is the first finished look. It is more of a glam for me personally. I'm gonna take it off the makeup. Okay, so now that my eyes are super red and in pain from taking off the makeup, time for look two. So For look number 2, I wanted to do a bit of a softer makeup because the last one for me was very glammy and I'm not really into that, wearing that all the time. So we're gonna do something more casual. So today I'm just gonna be doing some eyeliner, which is like my worst enemy. I'm really bad at it, so I'm not gonna be able to talk at all. I'm just gonna like speed through this real quick because it's gonna be rough. My wings are never even, like, at all, so that's fine though. I mean, honestly, I don't know if I should be bragging about this, but those are the best wings I've ever done in my life. That's so sad. Okay, now that that disaster is over, move on to mascara. Using the Almay Thickening Mascara, which I use every day. I don't know what it is, but sometimes my eyelashes just look terrible. Like they look like I have 3 lashes. Okay, so I just put on some lip liner. I attempted to put on some lip liner. And now I'm going to apply this ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Buttercup. And I just but they don't last that long at all. You even look at a coffee or something and it just flies right off your lips, I swear to God. So this is the other final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Say hi to my cat. So I will see you in the next video.